Hello and welcome back to one of our OSU-Cascades Campus Groups tutorials. My name is Quentin, the Student Life Marketing Coordinator. I'm going to show you how to send an email from Campus Groups. So I'm impersonating right now Student Life. This is a test account with access to a few different groups within Campus Groups. So as a member, as an officer specifically of a group, you can send out emails through Campus Groups to a wide range of users. So from the top taskbar in the group section, go ahead and select the group that you wish to send an email from. In that case, you're going to pop up here to the dashboard there. You're going to click the manage. I like to go over here to the right-hand side. We've seen this before with events. If you click on that create button, you can create an email. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And what's going to do first is ask you what recipients would you like to send it to. So by default, to secure the privacy of all our students, staff, and faculty, you can only send emails to those who are members of your group or contacts. So either through a virtual fair or folks who check out your page and are interested, they can become contacts. Otherwise, members for student organizations and university departments by default, groups are closed membership, meaning that you have to manually add members, whereas clubs, anyone can join your group and you can create settings around who can join. There's a form you have to fill out. But for our case here, we have 7 members in the events council and we want to send an email to all of them. So there are several ways you can filter beyond that. You can do it by account type. If they're an officer, you can add contacts. And then if there are any other user tags, member tags, or subgroup tags, you can filter who you'd like to email further from there. So once you have your recipients, you're going to compose an email for selected groups. And we're going to go ahead and move forward with the email builder. This is a new feature that we like to roll out here with Campus Groups. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see here, you're going to review the list of recipients again. So you're going to see who they are, some basic information, their email. You can send a push notification to folks at the same time. You can carbon copy somebody. And by default, we have Student Life at OSU-Cascades blind carbon copied. So that means the folks who are receiving an email won't know that Student Life at OSU-Cascades got this email, but we just do this so that our team can provide further support if anything goes wrong with your email, and we just can see all emails that are being sent out of Campus Groups. So once you verify that that is the list of recipients that you would like to send the email to, go and click next. You can add a subject. In this case, I'll just say test. You can select the from address. So this is the email address that you can use as a reply to. Here we have Student Life at OSU-Cascades available. And what's really cool is you can do a mail merge and you can do introduction. So dear first name, last name, hi first name, last name, or simply a first name, last name. And then you can also upload attachments. So in this case, we're going to do first name, last name. And next it's going to ask you to select a template. So you can select any of these pre-built templates from Campus Groups, or you can also, I'll show you here in a second, how you can create an email and then save it as your own template. So we're just going to move forward with the one column basic template. You can see it brings us to this next page where you can see the various options that we can drag and drop into our email. So you can add an image by clicking here, and this is going to be your header. So you'd upload a photo, you can link it and provide alt text, which is great for screen readers. That pops up when you hover over the image. We also have here by default a text box with a header. And on the right-hand side here, you can see we have various options of things that you can add. For example, you can add another title and text, an image by itself, text by itself, an image, title, and text. You can have an image and text on either side of the screen in 2 columns, boxed text, so a background, and the text is inside of a box, a divider. We aren't using jobs in Campus Groups. You wouldn't have to worry about that. You can add a list of events, or if you have a really big event that you want to promote to your club, you can add a specific event and it'll show all the details for that event. Any news that our university uploads to Campus Groups, a table of contents, social media links that you can edit for your own group, a list of officers and their contact information, HTML or CSS, JavaScript code, so you can actually embed things. And then down below, you can also add a video. There's a button, header, and footer. For some reason, it's cut off here on the screen, but that's the video. So just like in our previous emails, it'll show an image of the cover, and then you click on it, and it'll take it to the YouTube or Vimeo site. The button is just an external button. The header is a image that can't be downloaded. Same with the footer. You can add unsubscribe or other things to there. So you can simply just drag and drop these features wherever you'd like them. So there I drag the box feature there, and up here on the left-hand corner, I can drag it again and move it somewhere else. I can move it down below. And then what I can do is I can actually click on these and edit them. I can change the mail merges. I can change the style here and change the color of this box. So there are various things that I can do to kind of give my article or my newsletter or email some flavor. And you can see there are various options here. And then once you have something the way that you want it and you want to maintain consistency in further emails, you can save this as a template by going up to the top and clicking Save as Template. At that point, you could name it and save it to your group's library. So any templates that you save are only exclusive to your group. Once you have that all ready, you can go ahead and click Next. And here you can see you can add click boxes. We recommend not doing this and just sticking to the features that are in the actual email builder. But you can add click boxes, and these are things that are extremely clickable. They pop up right in front of the user, and they're directed directly. They're directed to a Campus Groups page. And then click Next again. You'll see the delivery options. So you can schedule it. You can have the default email footer with Campus Groups information or only the unsubscribe link. You can send a test email to yourself, which will send it to that email that you're logged into. In this case, the student life at OSU-Cascades. You can preview it. So this will show you an HTML page. You can save it as a draft, and then you can save and send once all that information is complete there. So if I go ahead and go back to the emails, once you send an email, it'll show up here in the sent area. And then on the right-hand side, it'll actually show you the metrics for it. So you can track your emails here. The open and click rate of emails will show up here. And here, let me see if I can show you guys an example. So if we go, this is my administrative side, but you'll see this when you send an email. You can see here that the week 4 student life newsletter was sent by myself on the 18th at 4:30 to 1,300 recipients. 615 of those, or 46%, opened the email, and there were 33 total clicks, 0 unsubscribed. So that I can see the details here. I can also view the email and further stats. So that's all you really need to know about how to send emails. If you need, for some reason, to send an email to a larger group of folks who are outside of a university department or student organization or your club, please contact us, studentlife@osucascades.edu. Myself as the marketing coordinator, Quentin Comis, and we can get permission set up and get approval for any mass emails that need to be sent to larger groups of people, because you cannot do that yourself. So I hope this helps. Make sure to check out our Campus Groups tutorial page if you have any more questions or some additional articles there to help you with this. But until then, I hope you guys have a great time utilizing Campus Groups and connecting with your members and folks who are interested in the club or organization that you are operating within Campus Groups using the emails.